In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the combination switch on your Honda CR-V. It's located on the steering wheel. All right, using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to take out these 3 screws. Ours only has 2 because one's missing. So there's one here, here, and here. Set those screws off to the side. All right, so now you can pull this down. I also have my tilt wheel all the way up at the moment. So release this. And then I'm going to tilt the lever down and pull it down. You might have to go up and down with your lever to get that completely out. Another option is to just leave it there. So now you're going to turn your steering wheel slightly, just so you have clearance to get these screws out. This one here, and this one under this piece. So let's pick this up and lean it back a little, or you can just take it right out. Now you're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to unscrew the top screw and the bottom screw. Next, you're going to take this cover off. All right, so we're going to take this connector off by pulling back, pushing that little tab in, and pulling it out. And put that off to the side. Insert a screwdriver here and allow it to, you're going to push out on the white thing and then slide out your switch, like that. To install our new one, you want to push it in. Make sure it's lined up. Get that harness out of the way. And you'll hear that click. That means it's in. Now you can plug in your connector. I also unplugged this green one down here. You don't necessarily have to, but if you did undo it to get it out of your way, plug it back in. All right, so now we're going to insert our 2 screws. All right, when that's tight, you can put your top cover on. Just lays right on top. And then you can get your bottom cover back up. You're going to move your lever if needed to move the steering wheel up and down. Line up the top with the bottom. Those little tabs all the way around, and it'll be obvious the way it lines up. And then we're going to insert our screws. All right, so we're going to put our screws in. I'm going to replace my screw that's missing here with a new one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.